Replace with a new inner tube. Put the inner tube into the tire first. Then look in the direction of the tires. The tire pattern is forward facing. Then there is the opening of the motor air nozzle. This location. First align this air nozzle with the hole of this motor. Put it in first. Then press inside. Be careful when installing. Don't press the inner tube. Press inside. OK, after pressing half, step on this position. Use a tire press stick to assist. Pry it inside. Pay attention to the position of the inner tube when warping. After it is installed, then fill it up with a pump. A flat pad needs to be placed on this side of the brake disc. Then bend the pad back. His line is facing the bottom. It's the same here. Inside is a flat pad, and then the chain adjuster. This little pad on the outside is at the back. Put the chain into the flywheel first. Chain adjuster is inside. Get stuck inside the frame. Same thing on the other side. This open pad and curved pad are stuck inside. Chain adjuster is stuck. Then the location here. The car support gets stuck inside first. Gasket. Nut. Tighten up first. Then there is the location of the chain. Hand the chain on the gear first. It's the same up front. Then slowly turn. Make sure the front and rear gears are jammed. Then the size socket wrench screws this chain adjuster. Tighten it inside. The chain will lengthen to the back. Adjust the angle of the rear wheel while tightening. Good angle on both sides. This location. This position is the same here. Make sure the wheels on both sides are facing the center. You can tighten this screw nut. Same here. After the screws are tightened, the small leads on both sides are stuck inside. Then there is the position of the motor cable. The motor cable is straightened forward. There's a strap position to tighten it. Line up. From this hole, it can just go through to the top. Come up like this. Go to the controller box. Then straighten. Tie another one at this position. Then the top position. Just straighten this thread out. Position of the screw. You can tighten this little box. Put another cable tie in here. Motor cable connection. U1S full white plug. U1S full white plug. Another 7S match the same color. Then the position of the brake here. The calipers are stuck inward into this brake disc, so jam it first. Then 2 black screws. Align the screw part. Fix half first, then twist another one. Fully locked. Then there are the screws for this foot cover. Same thing. Fix one first. Tighten the other one. Then lock it completely together again. The stick is the same. Stock the position of this stick. Align this hole. Also twist half first. Then the other side. It is also the position of this foot pedal to tighten first. Then tighten the 2 sides together. Cut off the cable tie. Then there is the location of this seat back. The location of the seat back is stuck again. 2 buckles facing forward like this. And then one shot forward. The screws are fully tightened. The replacement is complete.